Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will be doing a quick review one of the Synco wireless microphones, the model G2A2. I am a fan of Synco shotgun microphones, but in some different type of works, I need wireless microphone. So I decided to try out the G2 wireless microphone. Let's get started. If you have been using the G1 wireless microphone, so the G2 is the newer, better version of the G1. Just like all of the other wireless microphone out there, the G2 has a receiver that you can plug on your camera, your phone, your recorder using the TRS or the TRRS cable. But what makes the G2A2 different? The model G2A2 come with not one, but two transmitter like this one and this one, right? Which is very convenient, especially for interview jobs. For example, I can simply clip one of the transmitter on my shirt and the other one on the talent. Doesn't matter our positions, angles, distances to the camera are not the same. The audio quality stays the same for both of us. We don't have to use the big traditional transmitter receiver anymore, the one that most of the time they put it behind you and run the lap mic all the way to the top. This is very easy to use. By the way, I'm using the actual audio from the G2 in this video, so you can hear the audio quality from the G2 yourself, okay? Since the G2A2 comes with two transmitters, you can choose to set the audio output in mono or stereo, depends on how you want to work with the audio in post. In this case, because just me talking, so I keep it in mono, or even if I use two transmitters in the same time for two different people in the interview, I just like to keep it in mono so I don't have to work too much in the post-production. The G2 has a two-color TFT screen showing the battery info, audio level, audio monitoring, and the other functions. The G2 has a 150 Hz low-cut filter. This feature is very useful, especially most of the time we use wireless microphone in a very noisy environment. Actually, right now I am using it even though in my studio it's not too noisy, but I like it. The one-button muting switch allows to temporarily mute your mic when needed, then switch back on easy. There is a lot of time when you work with your team, you want to stop recording what you want to talk to your team and then you can just use that button and then you talk to your team and then you just turn it back in one click. That's very convenient. The G2 provides secure, stable, and quality audio in a very long range, up to about like 492 feet line of sight and 130 feet non-line of sight. It depends on different work areas. I mostly work in very close distances and open space, so I never concerned about this. With this transmitter, you can use either the built-in microphone or the external lavalier microphone. As of right now, I am using the built-in microphone and the sound quality is very good. The built-in lithium battery lasts up to 8 hours, depending on how you use it. That is more than enough for a long interview job. You can charge on 3 devices in the same time, so 2 transmitter and 1 receiver in the same time using the 3-in-1 charging cable. 1 hour charge could give you up to 80% battery. So far the audio quality is significantly better than some of my older wireless microphones, even though the whole set G2A2 only costs $199. It's about like $100 cheaper than most of the same type wireless microphone. I have been using the G2A2 for my client job, my YouTube videos around like more than a month now, and I really like it. I highly recommend to use the G2A2 for vlogging, interview jobs, as well as live streaming. It can do all kind of different jobs and provide you a very good audio quality. If you have any question about the G2A2, just leave it in comment down below, and I'm gonna try to answer all of your questions. Alright, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.